Good morning, everybody. It's Friday morning here, and I have a day off today. Woohoo! I decided to have every second Friday off so I can stay home, do my own thing, chill, spend time with my husband. So, yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. So, I got up, had shower, brushed my hair, put my face on, and I'm ready for the day. Time here is 8:53, and I haven't had my morning coffee yet, so I think we should go to the kitchen and make ourselves a coffee. How about that? So our coffee is ready here, and we're gonna drink coffee and we're gonna start our day. You guys haven't seen my office, so I thought today I will show you guys how my office looks like. I don't have that much furniture in my office at the moment, but I am in the process of filling up my office. So let's go to my office. So we are gonna walk towards my office. This is my living room here. And this is our living room TV. So we sit here and binge watch Netflix. And this is the part of the house you probably would have never seen. This is the way to my office. Welcome to my office. This is my little office here. All the filming gear you can see on the table. My little candle here, which I'm gonna light in a minute because I like my office smelling really nice. Little tall boy, they are my back windows. And if you come this way, I have got this big mirror. Woohoo, hello, that's me. So you can see I am dressed very comfortably here. I got this singlet. I think I got this singlet from Milan. A couple of years ago we went to Milan, and because Milan has the similar weather as Australia, so you can easily buy the clothes which you're gonna get a lot of wear out of. And then I got these stretchy pants from shein.com.au. So if I have to run to the shops today, I'm not gonna worry about changing. I'm just gonna put a jumper on and go to the shops. So that's me today. Hey guys, those of you who don't know me, my name is Anna. I am a cosmetic nurse and I am here to empower you so you can pick the right skincare every single time. So in today's video, we are going to talk about my top 5 cleansers. I have been using these cleansers for a very long time, and I will share my opinion with you guys whether these cleansers are worth your money or they are just shite and you should stay away from them. So without any further ado, let's start. So on number 5, I have got micellar cleansing gel wash from Garnier. I'm gonna tell you the pros and cons of this gel wash. I have made my little notes here, so if you see me looking down, it's because I'm looking at my notes because I can't remember everything. So let's talk about this micellar cleansing gel wash. So we're going to talk about the pros first. It's easily accessible. It's available at Woolly stores. It's available at Chemist Warehouse. It's easily affordable. 200 mils of product, and it costs around $9.80 here in Australia, which is really cheap. It lathers up pretty well, so you only gonna need a tiny amount, so it's gonna last you for a very long time. Then it is dermatologically tested and it's ophthalmologically tested, so it's not gonna have the bad effects on your skin and onto your eyes. The other thing is it's ideal for all skin types, including the sensitive skin. Micellar technology is actually designed to remove that excessive oil, dirt and makeup of your skin. So in that regard, it does it really well. The cons are, apart from cleaning your face, it doesn't have any other properties. It doesn't have any anti-aging properties. It doesn't have any exfoliating properties. I would say because it's a drugstore product and it costs around $9.80, so we can't expect too much out of it. It's designed to remove the excessive oil, dirt and makeup of your skin, and it does that very well. So yeah, we can't expect too much, and that's why I have left it on number 5. So on number 4 we have Hydro Boost Cleanser Water Gel from Neutrogena. Have seen me using this water gel for a very long time. So the pros of this water gel cleanser is it's easily accessible. It's available at Woolies and Chemist Warehouse. It's easily affordable, 145 mils of product, and costs around $11.20 here in Australia. You only need a tiny amount because it lathers up pretty well, so it's gonna last you very long time. It's dermatologically tested, so it's not gonna have any adverse effects on your skin. As per Neutrogena, it is soap free, it's oil free, it's hypoallergenic, and it has got no added parabens, which is really good because parabens are not good for your health. In the past, I have read some of the articles that parabens are actually associated with causing cancer. So I will talk about that in my another video about the parabens. But yeah, it has got no parabens, and it is suitable for all skin types, including the sensitive skin. So they were all the pros about this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Cleansing Water Gel. Now let's talk about the cons of this. So altogether I counted, and it has got 18 ingredients in this cleansing gel. Out of 18, I could only find like 3 or 4 ingredients which are actually beneficial for your skin. Like say it has got hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a humectant. It attracts the water from the environment and then makes your skin looks all hydrated and plump. And then it has got citric acid, which has got the exfoliating properties, removes the dead skin cells of your skin. And it has also got glycerin, which is another humectant, which attracts the water from the environment and locks the water in your skin, making your skin look more plump, more hydrated, and hence reducing the appearance of those fine lines on your skin. So that's why I have left the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel on number 4. On number 3, I have Moisturizing Facial Wash from Simple. Pros of this facial wash is it's easily available at Woolies and Chemist Warehouse. It's easily affordable. 100 mils of product costs around $11 here in Australia. It's 100% soap free. It has got no artificial perfumes and no artificial colors. No alcohol, no mineral oil, no animal products, and it's 100% cruelty free. It's dermatologically tested, so not going to have any bad effects on your skin. It has got really good ingredients, like it has got panthenol, provitamin B5, which is an anti-aging vitamin. It improves your skin's barrier functions. It stops the water loss from your skin, so keeps your skin nice and hydrated and plump, hence reducing the appearance of fine lines. Then it has got vitamin E. Vitamin E is a well-known antioxidant which is really beneficial for your skin because it helps repair the damaged skin cells. Then it has got bisabolol or bisabolol, I don't know how you pronounce it, but bisabolol is a very well-known anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial agent, so again helps your skin fight the minor skin infections. The cons: actually this facial wash absolutely has got no cons. I was trying to find a con, but it hasn't got anything. It has got no bad ingredient in it at all, so that's why this facial wash I have left it on number 3 because it has got no cons at all. So on number 2 we have got cream cleanser from Cora Organics. Talk about the pros of this cream cleanser. First, 85% of the ingredients in this cream cleanser are from organic farming. This cleanser leaves your skin feeling soft, smooth and silky. The reason being is the main ingredient of this cleanser are aloe vera, avocado oil, macadamia nut oil, and rosehip oil, which are quite gentle and hydrating for your skin. Um, this cream cleanser is suitable for all skin types, including the sensitive skin. Now, the cons of this cream cleansers are it's not easily available. It's not available at Woolies and Chemist Warehouse, but it's definitely available at Myers and David Jones. Little bit pricey compared to the other facial washes I have mentioned. It's 100 mils of product and costs around $40 here in Australia. So, on number 1, I have Breakout Clearing Foaming Wash from Dermalogica. It's from their Clear Start range. Yes, I have put this foaming wash on number 1 because first, it is very easy to dispense. All you gotta do is you gotta press this white button here and it opens up. You only need a very tiny amount because it lathers up pretty well, so it's gonna last you for a very long time. It smells like tea tree because I love tea tree oil. It's free from artificial fragrances. It's free from any dyes, parabens, and mineral oils. The ingredients in this foaming face wash are really good. The main ingredient obviously is salicylic acid, and salicylic acid has the ability to go deep into your pores and remove that excessive oil, dirt, makeup, and whatever is clogging your pores, and it helps open up your pores, and that's how it helps reduce your acne and breakouts. And the other ingredients are some botanicals like lavender and tea tree oil, which has got a very calming effect on your skin. If you got acne and breakouts and your skin is red, inflamed, and irritated, it's gonna make your skin feel calm. Now, the cons of this foaming face wash is it's not easily available. It's not available at Woolies and Chemist Warehouse. It's definitely available at Myer and David Jones, and it's available online. It's a little bit pricey, 177 mils of product and costs around $25 here in Australia. I love this product so much, even though I don't have any acne on my face, but it helps remove that that excessive oil on my skin, and it's quite gentle on the dry part of my skin. Because I have got combination skin, very oily T-zone, and the rest of the skin is dry, so it's nice and hydrating on the dry areas of my skin, and it is effectively removes the oil from my T-zone. So they were my top 5 cleansers I have been using for a very long time. I put a lot of effort into reading all the ingredients, understanding all the ingredients, so I could give you the right information about the cleansers. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give me thumbs up. Leave your comments below and please subscribe to my channel. I am very passionate about skincare. I've got a lot of other videos about skincare products. Please check out my other videos, and I shall see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.